Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete all notes in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. First I open PowerPoint and here I have a presentation with 3 slides. Each slide has individual notes. I could now delete the notes on each page individually, but I will show you a trick to remove all the notes at once. To do this I click on the File tab, go to Info, select Check for Issues and Inspect Document. In this menu we scroll all the way down and make sure that the Presentation Notes checkbox is checked. Once this is done, we click on Inspect. PowerPoint now tells us that notes have been found in the presentation. And it also gives us the option to remove all the notes with one click. If we click on it, the notes are deleted. Let's look at this again in the presentation. There are no notes on any slide. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.